This man is about to watch TV. Wait a minute. Someone just stole his ID and password. This woman is working out intensely. She may want to be careful, though. Somebody could be watching her through the TV.
Oh my gosh, that's me.
Receipts, receipts, receipts. Quite a spender. I guess he didn't know it was all on the TV.
That's fine.
This woman doesn't know the doors of her house can be opened through the unsecured TV.
Is that really?
That's why you need Samsung TV. Strongly protected by Knox. Your privacy secured.